When people criticize you, fly high. When life challenges you, fly high. When there seems to be endless problems pecking at you, fly high. Eagle is called as the king of birds' kingdom. Eagles are all over the world as living symbols of power, freedom, and transcendence. Have you ever wondered why eagle is called so? Why it is admired all over the world? Such questions when started bombarding in my head. There was no other way for me but to find the right answer. When I researched and found out the answer, the feeling was awesome. The information about eagles that I collected from experts, various books and videos is really very inspiring and motivating. Well, there are many characteristics of eagles, but I have selected only 6 to tell you. Knowing this will answer our question. At the same time, understanding about eagles will help us to acquire some noble characteristics which will help us to become a successful leader. Out of 6 characteristics which I am going to tell you in this video, the 5th and the 6th one is my all-time favorite because it is ultimate, very inspiring. Which one you like most? After seeing this video, you can tell in the comment box. Well, the first characteristic is that eagles are fearless. In order to win the prey or regain its territory, eagle can go to any level. It doesn't care about the size and strength of its prey or its opponent. Due to this, it can hunt down the animals as big as goats and even bigger. It shows a remarkable fighting strategy and always plunge forward without reservations of fear. To be a successful leader, you must become fearless and learn to face the problem head on. Second characteristic of eagle is it has a keen vision and sharp focus. Eagles have a very keen vision. Their eyes are specially designed for long distance focus and clarity. It spots its prey from a long distance and pinpoint its focus on that. Once it has selected its prey, it will never lose focus of that prey. After this stage, the prey is as good as dead because before the prey realizes that it is going to be attacked, it will be hunted by eagle. Lesson to be learned. To be a successful leader, we must have a keen vision and sharp focus to achieve whatever you want. Characteristic number 3. Eagles are faithful. Throughout its lifetime, eagles maintain a single nest and it spends all its life with its only partner. To be a successful leader, one needs to be trustworthy and dependable. Number 4. Eagles nurture their young ones in a unique way. You may think, what's so special about nurturing? Every creature does. Yes, you are right. But I bet you'll be stunned by the way an eagle nurtures its young ones. How? Okay, let's see. Researchers say that no member of a bird family is as attentive and gentle to its young ones as eagles. It means that their love and care for their young ones is abundant. Do you know how a mother eagle teaches its eaglet to fly? Well, when the eaglet has grown quite well, its mother will gather her on her back. Then the mother will spread its wings and start to fly high. The eaglet will be enjoying the ride. Both mother and eaglet are very happy and having a good time. Suddenly, the mother eagle swoops out from under the eaglet and make it fall down. The eaglet starts falling down freely. It will be scared and it will be shouting. It's about to die. After some time, suddenly the mother eagle comes and catches the eaglet. And once again it will start to fly high. It will take a sigh of relief. But it doesn't last for long. The mother eagle once again drops him down. She will keep on repeating this for many times, wondering why the mother eagle does so. The answer is, it does so make the eaglet understand the power of its wings. The eaglet, one of the attempt, will spread its wings and learn to fly. In case if eaglet is slow to learn or cowardly, then the mother takes him to the top of cliff and literally nudges him or push him down and teaches him the hard lesson, fly. Well, be a successful leader, you must also learn to teach effectively to your followers. Help them to increase their inner strength. Help them to find out their weakness. Most importantly, you must help them become self-dependent.